So we were engaged with a client that had an amazing collection of memorabilia, generally baseball, hockey, but all kinds of sports memorabilia, as well as some amazing pieces of presidents and whatnot, history. And so he had come to us at Village and said, hey, I want to have an amazing room to display all of this. And it started off very simply and got more elaborate as we went. So I'll take you in. So this area is the hallway, and this showcases a vast collection of baseballs. Generally, they're all alphabetized here. You can see they've all been lit. LED lighting has been installed on all of the shelves. These shelves are built in a stadium effect, so you can see them. We planned the shelf height, the depth, everything was thought about so that when you walk into this room, you can see specifically what you're looking for. So, amazing collection of bobbleheads and figurines. This is mostly baseball, but we also have hockey pucks, again, all signed. There are some amazing signed pieces here. So you walk through here, and every time you look, you're seeing just some really great stuff. And what you can see here is on the floor, we did a base path that leads to the museum room. On this side, we have a fantastic theater for the client. We did wainscoting. You can see some velvet ropes, decor, Field of Dreams over here, a box office. We found these amazing pieces of hardware for the doors that look like a movie reel. We have a gym behind us, custom bat cases. These are lit. We had a challenge with these. Everything we do is challenging, so these we had to be careful because bats are different lengths. And you check one bat, well, it might not be long enough. It could be a 32 and you have a 34 for a different player. Again, all signed. And then as we come through here, Carly will invite you into the museum room. You can see the base path, the home plate, and base paths can continue. So this area is pretty cool. Tony asked us to build him a dugout. He wanted to have a baseball area, a baseball area that he could feel comfortable in, watch TV, look at the memorabilia. So he has thousands of programs from different games, from different series, and he wants to catalog those. So he came up with the idea of getting an actual Rawlings baseball glove chair to sit in while he does his his research, his thoughts on where things are going to go. And then behind us is a mural of the Field of Dreams, his favorite movie. And so it really just gives this area just a comfortable feel and a place for him to relax and enjoy this collection that he spent the last 50 years curating.